Hard day.
What's up? It's your boy, Hog Rider, back at it again. Let go. Alright, we're gonna be watching my friend who claims he know how to do a Rubik cube in under 10 minutes. In under 10 minutes, my friends. In under 10 minutes. Alright, so let's see if he can. There's the Rubik's cube. 1, 2, 3. No, I ain't gonna count. Look at this black cat. Keep on going. Do y'all see my board? It looks sick. Go, Andre! I am going to grow across the street. As you see, he has dropped a Rubik's cube. That claims he cannot do a Rubik's cube. My fans, this is the impossible challenge. Throw it, boy. Come on, finish. Finish or my YouTube video is messed up.
Record me doing this.
Hey, Devon, this is the boy that kept us saying, boy, finish the freaking Rubik's cube. Boy, wait, hold up. Let me show you his Teen Titans shirt. Stop spinning and stuff. My camera doesn't have high definition. Finish the Rubik's cube. Just say I failed.
I failed.
Wait, what? Wait, you can't do it again. Wait, look at the camera and do puppy eyes and say I failed.
I failed.
This one failed. Video's over. Just, yeah, watch him shamefully walk away. Walk away. Walk away. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay my little piglet subscribers. And look how stupid he looks. Man. We just did a video of him trying to do a Rubik's cube, and he said I could do this in under 10 minutes. Didn't even get past the